singing waterfall in the mountains far away. That's where I long to be at the close of every day. That's where my darling's sleeping down beneath the clay. I often sit and wonder why the Lord took her away. We'd meet there every evening when the sun was sinking low, and we'd listen to the water as it rippled soft and low. And since she's gone to heaven, I miss her most of all. Tonight my darling's sleeping by the singing waterfall. Last night as I lay dreaming, I heard my darling call, and then I went to meet her by the singing waterfall. She took me in her arms just like she used to do, and then I heard her whisper, "We'll meet beyond the blue." We'd meet there every evening when the sun was sinking low, and we'd listen to the water as it rippled soft and low. And since she's gone to heaven, I miss her most of all. Tonight my darling's sleeping by the singing waterfall. Oh, tonight my darling's sleeping by the singing waterfall.